Hi, I'm Katie and this is Helen, and we're both from Almased, and today we'll just be talking to you about what Almased is, how to use it and general benefits of the product.
So obviously there's the two plans, so you've got the long-term plan and 14-day plan.
Yeah.
My favourite is the 14-day plan, and with that you get this really useful leaflet which gives you loads of tips and advice, but also gives you really good and lovely recipes to have alongside it. So maybe tell us a bit more about that.
Yep, so as Helen said, we've actually got the figure plan on our website which you can download, and there's also pages dedicated to our programs. So the recipes actually in the booklet are about 500 to 600 calories, so it's all about educating yourself, making sure that your diet alongside Almased is still calorie controlled. So the 14-day plan is great for those who are going on holiday, for a healthy but more like a quick weight loss. For the first 3 days you replace all 3 meals with Almased, and then days 4 to 7 you go down to replacing 2 meals. So for instance, your breakfast and your evening meal, and then your lunchtime meal will be something that's high protein, vegetable rich, portion controlled amounts of whole grain carbohydrates. And then days 8 to 10 you're replacing 1 meal with Almased. And then for days 11 to 14 you go back to say 3 regular meals which are still calorie controlled, and then you'll have say Almased as a healthy snack, or it could be pre or post exercise. You could also use it to fortify foods as well, such as your cereal in the morning or to make a healthy smoothie.
So the long-term plan is for someone who wants to lose weight steadily and safely over a longer time period. So maybe tell me a bit about that.
Yep, so the long-term plan is really for those that have got, say, more weight to lose, or they want to do it a lot more gradually. It takes on the same idea as the 14-day plan, so you've still got the 4 phases, but you can just extend it.